Hey guys, so today's video we're going to do a little bit different. So a lot of you have been asking, where am I getting the home decor in my home that I've been DIYing or just been sharing with you guys on Instagram. So I just wanted to share a couple of finds that you guys can find from the Goodwill so you're not spending too much each season on home decor, and you're actually being able to save it on stuff that you need like food and things like that. So hope you guys enjoy this video as we're going in a little different direction, but hope this video helps you guys find some ideas on what you can find at the Goodwills with you. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I just want to show you guys a couple of things that you can get here. So Happy Lobby. The only thing is that things like this, you gotta be careful because it's $5.99 and you guys know most of that stuff goes on sale. So be careful with that. So I've been wanting to do a Goodwill shop with me for a while, but sometimes when you go into Goodwill, it could be very crowded depending on the days. And usually I can only head out during the weekend. So that's usually the time when I head out to Goodwill, which makes it a little bit more difficult to make a whole shop with me video. So I'm going to do my best. Some of these videos, I may just go in and out because of the, people around me, but just stick with me. Now I've been looking for a black cutting board or one I can create into a black cutting board. So this one stood out for me. This one was Hearth and Hand. It looks like someone sprayed it. Wasn't too happy with the way they sprayed it out, so I left that one behind. But if that was your style, then you definitely could have grabbed that for yourself. Now baskets. Baskets are definitely a great find when you go into thrift stores. You definitely have to just be patient. I've gotten a Target basket there. The laundry basket I don't need, but I would definitely grab that. Again, Hearth and Hand is in the house for Goodwill, so definitely, like I said, take your time and look through everything. This was also Hearth and Hand. Now I've been looking for a coffee holder canister with spoons. I grabbed these. These were not a question for myself. Now this was an ice bucket. The only reason why I pointed it out, I don't know what brand it was, but it was neutral colors and it had gold handle. It was definitely almost in my basket, but I put it back. Now I'm kicking myself for not getting it. It was $1.99 from the at-home store and I left that egg holder there. Now this, I just wanted to point out, I don't believe it's Pyrex or anything like that. But if you need ovenware, the Goodwill is definitely a great place. That one was half off. Now, I'm not too sure if I should be kicking myself or not. I did leave this there, but I wanted to show you guys. This was a Tommy Hilfiger purse. I think it was half off the price, but it was leather in the front. So I definitely kicked myself for leaving it, but I have enough purses. Again, another piece here from Threshold. Those were coasters. It was 2-piece, so I left that there. You ever get into a rabbit hole of videos on YouTube? Basically, that's how I ended up thrifting my items. If you follow me on Instagram, it's just under my name. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see I have DIY'd some thrift store finds, and I always try to post exactly what I find on my YouTube channel, so definitely stay tuned. I'm going to come up with a video on things around my house that I have thrifted. So if you dig videos like this, you love neutral decor, definitely make sure you're subscribed. So I hope this video was enjoyable to you, some new content on my space. And with that being said, you guys make sure to enjoy the rest of your day and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day.